Hello, good morning, and welcome to my Vedanta classes. My name is Anil Phate. Today we are discussing next 20 sub methods to improve your communication skills. We have already discussed prime methods. Then we have also already discussed next 20 methods. Now we are coming to next 20. So we are targeting 50 methods to improve speaking skill. So we are coming on 21. Practice paraphrasing. Practice paraphrasing. What means there are two meaning. You can say it's a express the meaning of using different words, or in other words, trying to say things you hear can significantly improve your speaking skill. That means whatever you are said, if something don't understand, then you will explain in a very simply or simplistic manner. It's called paraphrasing. Then if you say मराठी आपण ऐकत असलेल्या गोष्टी सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न केल्यास आपले कौशल्य बोलण्याचे कौशल्य लक्षणीय सुधारू शकते. So that means if you have heard any story, you you can tell the story to other person in your own language. That is what called paraphrasing. You are different. If you are different, as what you understand, you have to tell this in different, so people can understand, other people can understand. The next, conduct small talk in English. Whenever you have the chance, choose to carry on small talks in English. It will boost your speaking skill. We have already discussed, we have already gone through around 1000 common phrases, which is small talks. It's come under small talks. So you have to prepare small talks in full sentences, which is the initial best method to improve your speaking skill. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपल्याला संधी मिळेल तेव्हा इंग्रजीमध्ये लहान भाषणे निवडा. त्यामुळे तुमची बोलण्याची क्षमता वाढेल. दॅट मीन्स वेन एव्हर यू स्पीक विथ अदर पर्सन, यू हॅव टू मेक अ स्मॉल सेंटेन्स बट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. What that is what meaning is. Then 23, try creating your own responses rather than repeating what other people say. That means when you can come up with the ways to answer in English on your own way, your speaking fluency can increase considerably. That means it's most considerably will improve your speaking skill. That means when people are saying something, you have to create your own sentences and speaks to others. So that is what mean. Then next, 24, have confidence whenever you speak. Even though you have a lot to learn, always speak with confidence, as this will improve the rate at which you master the language. Master the language. That means have confidence. Yes, definitely. Without confidence and clarity, we cannot improve your communication skill. So have a confidence. Boost your confidence. So that means suppose even you are not master, or you don't, or you are incorrect, you are speaking incorrectly, but you speak very confidently. People other will not that much attention. Okay, that you are speaking incorrect word. Then 25, learn to listen better. You can learn which language areas need improvement by listening carefully to how native speakers say certain words. That means if somebody who master in speaking English, you have to learn carefully how he speaks and where you can improve, or where is your improvement area while speaking English. So if you listen carefully, you might understand what is your problem or what is your improvement area. म्हणजे मूळ भाषिक काही शब्द कसे बोलतात हे काळजीपूर्वक ऐकून आपण कोणत्या भाषेच्या क्षेत्रामध्ये सुधारणे आवश्यक आहे ते यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड. देन be passionate about English. When you are enthusiastic about learning English, you learn how to speak it much faster. That means you have to have a fond of speaking English. It will be, it must be your daily routine. It should be enthusiastic. दॅट मीन्स तुम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल इंग्रजी शिकण्यास उत्साह असायला पाहिजे. जेव्हा आपण इंग्रजी शिकण्यास उत्साह असाल तेव्हा आपण यू कॅन स्पीक इंग्लिश दॅट एक्सटेंड दॅट मॅक्झिमम एक्सटेंड यू कॅन स्पीक इफ यू आर पॅशनेट अबाउट. सो यू हॅव टू इन्वॉल्व everything, every time, everywhere, and anywhere. The next, try to learn from everyone. That means while surrounding yourself with people who speak perfect English is a great way to learn English. You can also learn from those who makes mistakes in their speaking. So you have to learn both the people who are master in English and also who are not speaking or not perfect in English. So you can learn from both people. You can learn from the master people how they speak English, how they connect word, how they explain it, and you can learn from the people who make mistakes. So you can find what is your improvement area and you can work on it or you can focus on it. Then learn from your favorite personality or public speaker. Learn to say things in your own way. By learning to paraphrase English statements, you can avoid repeating statements so that you increase your speaking fluency in random situation. That means you have every person has their own personality or oh sorry it's a own favorite personality. So people who are your famous, who you follow them, so you learn from them also how they speaks. You can go, you can use certain channels where their speeches are available, so you can learn from them your favorite personality. Then last one is a watch children's cartoons. So weird as this may sound, kids cartoons can teach you plenty about speaking English, especially with regard to proper action, proper diction. That means hey, it is like a weird, it is like strange to learn from cartoon, but if you actually start that cartoon, of course it is a English cartoon, so it is also funny, and there are so many cartoons where translation is also you can see on screen, so you will not much difficult to what they are speaking or their pronunciation. So but you have to start keep how you can also improve communication skill by seeing children's cartoon. So these are the 30 methods we have as on date we have discussed or we have learned. Next 20 will have some other time, reminding you ki yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go to YouTube, write my name Vedanta classes, where you can see Anil Parte's Vedanta class. Then you can see my image, class image. Then you can also click where subscriber column is there, and then you can see there are more 40 plus video uploaded, and you can see one by one whenever you have time. Of course, now students who have uh, lost around 8 9 months, so now you some students have started their schools, some are not. who are staying city, but who are urban rural area. There are certain schools have started, but you have very limited time, so you might not have enough time to speak English. But you always remember that along with education, to get confidence, to know much about world, you must speak English, you must learning English. Thank you very much and have a good day.